Birds of Hyde Park.
Oh yeah, we've got the red-tailed hawk.
Birds of Hyde Park. They don't touch the ground. Birds
Let's go, the eastern screech owl.
Living in the trees, oh yeah. Birds of Hyde Park. Cruising in the breeze, oh yeah.
Woo,
Birds
let's go,
of
the rock
Hyde
dove.
Park.
Yeah.
Swirling all around,
Who
oh
likes the
yeah.
pigeon?
Birds of Hyde Park.
That
They
great
don't touch the
egret.
ground, oh yeah. Birds of Hyde Park. Living in the trees, oh yeah. Birds of Hyde Park. Cruising in the breeze,
Oh yeah, the
oh
dove. The amazing dove.
Hyde Park. Living around, oh yeah. Birds of Hyde Park. They don't touch the
Best
ground.
of them all, the ruby throated hummingbird.
Hyde Park, living in the trees, oh yeah. Birds of Hyde Park, living in the breeze. Birds of Hyde Park, living all around, oh yeah. Birds of Hyde Park, they don't touch the ground, oh yeah. Birds of Hyde Park, living in the trees, oh yeah. Birds of Hyde Park, cruising in the breeze.
What a nice day to explore Hyde Park. I'm so excited. I've heard there's thousands of different kinds of birds. Maybe we're gonna get to meet a couple. Anyways, this hollow is supposed to have tons of them. Let's go see. Oh yeah, look, already, a ruby-throated hummingbird. Maybe she'll talk to us. Hi, little hummingbird. What's your name?
My name is Ruby.
Ah, tell me some cool stuff about yourself.
Well, my grandfather was the oldest hummingbird who was 9 years and a month old.
Wow.
I beat my wings about 53 times a second. I have extremely short legs that prevents me from walking or hopping. The best I can do is shuffle along a perch. I scratch my head and neck by raising its foot up and over my wing.
Cool. Well, I'm gonna go see if I can find some other birds. Okay. Well, look, there's a whole blue jay family. Hey guys, how's it going?
Hi, I'm just your average blue jay. My name is Jay. Me and thousands of other blue jays migrate every winter.
Cool.
I like making the sound of a hawk to scare other birds around. Sometimes when I'm really hungry, I eat eggs and nestlings from other birds. The oldest known blue jay lived for 17.5 years. P.S. I hope I live longer. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. This is my wife Jillian and our 3 chicks, Blue, Nutmeg, and Feather.
Well, it was nice meeting you, Jay. I do hope you live longer as well. See you soon. Let's go see if there's other birds. Oh, look, on this cement pad, there's a rock dove, otherwise known as the pigeon.
Hi, my name is Rocky. I love to live near cities, but not Paris. I heard they might find me tasty there.
Oh,
I can find my way home no matter what. So if you're ever lost, you'll wish you were me.
I bet. Well, I hope I'm not too lost today. Anyways, let's go see if there's other birds around. Really nice rock pigeon. Oh, la la, such a beautiful day. Oh, I think I'm gonna sit on this stump a little there. Oh, sorry, oh, Screech Owl, I'm so sorry. I almost sat on you. Well, it's nice to see you. What's your name?
Hi, I'm a screech owl, and my name is Screech. I'm a nocturnal creature, which means I sleep in the day and hunt at night, but sometimes I fly in early day, like now. But I get mobbed by blue jays sometimes. I eat many songbirds, such as the European starling. People think I screech, but I actually wail. I can appear in a red version and a gray version. And, as you can see, I'm a gray version.
Cool. Well, it was awesome meeting you.
Next time, please do not sit on me.
I know, I'm sorry. I'll keep a better eye out. But thanks for warning me with you hoo-hoo. See you later.
Woo.
Well, bye. Let's go see. Oh, look, over there. Look, is that a mourning dove? Hi. Are you the mourning dove?
Yes. Hi, my name is Sunshine. Morning
It's okay.
Morning doves eat regularly
It's okay.
12 to 20% of their body weight per day, or 71 calories on average. Morning doves are in the same family as the pigeon.
Cool. Well, it was really nice meeting you. I hope to see you again. Bye. Oh, look over there. Next to that tree, I think there's a great egret. It's such a sunny day over there. Look at that beautiful yellow sun. Let's go see. Hey, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Snowy. My grandfather was the oldest known great egret. He was 22 years and 10 months old and was banded in Ohio.
Wow. You came from far, your family.
Yeah. I fly slowly but powerfully with just 2 wing beats per second. This cruising speed is around 25 miles an hour.
Wow. Well, it was really nice meeting you. Have a good fish. Okay, well, I think it's time to go. I can't see anyone else. Oh, I can't believe I missed him. It's the red-tailed hawk. Hi, red-tailed hawk. What's your name?
My name is Rudy, the red-tailed hawk, and when I'm mating, I fly in circles really high, and then swoop down, and then fly back up really fast.
That's really cool.
I like hunting with my pal Randy.
Oh, yeah, you always hunt in pairs, eh?
Yeah.
Well, that's super cool. I'm so glad I got to see you. I can't believe I almost missed you. Well, I think it's time to go back home, back to the nature center. Such a nice hike.
Starring the ruby-throated hummingbird, Acorn. As the voice of the eastern screech owl, Ant. As the voice of the pigeon, Lemon. As the voice of the blue jay, Woolly Mammoth.
As the voice of the great egret, Firefly. As the voice of the mourning dove, Earthquake.
As the voice of the red-tailed hawk, Jackrabbit.